Okay, section 1, cross back, recover side, cross rock back, recover side, and then make a brush but cross in front of the left foot, and then do it again in the other way around, and then behind side cross. Okay, with a count 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 2, make a 3x4 to the left volta turn. Okay, 3 and 4, and then make a stationary samba. Back, recover together, and then right back, recover. Okay, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, right botafogo, and then left botafogo, cross touch, side touch, and then quarter turn to the right, botafogo. Okay, with a count. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, or the last section, quarter diamond to the left, cross 1/8 to the left, step back with a hitch, step back, and then 1/8 to the left, side forward, and then mambo, forward, recover back, and then side, recover on the left foot. Okay, with a count. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Okay, let me repeat the whole section with a count slowly. Section 1, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Okay, while there is one take, 8 count after wall 3, which is half pivot to the left, step forward, half turn to the left, recover on the left foot, step forward, half turn to the left, recover on the left foot, and then make a side touch, and then back, 4 count. Okay, let me do it with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's all the tutorial of our new choreo. I hope you enjoy the music, I hope you enjoy the choreo, and we look forward to see your demo version. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.